Boy, the system, boy, was that a big interruption. You know what an interference pattern is, right? Interfering with the communication. There was another one. Let's see how many I can count that the system does. You know, the phantom, the deadlight phantom. You wouldn't believe what I had to go through just to be able to communicate what I'm communicating now. It kept popping up. When it became aware of what I was going to communicate, see, it doesn't want me to communicate that so that others can experience what I'm experiencing by virtue of what I learned. Having a relationship with something that's dead. But it's not funny. Because we acknowledge how that happened. Yep. Self-destructive technologies. Which are self-destructive technologies. Now we're in the speed of learning. I know. I'm very familiar with the ground. And so I was reminded by the video that I just did, which was a video that I did, which not uncoincidentally was 144, when another identity platform communicated as a response to what I've said about the transmission speed, time to get the message, right? The lubricant, the electrical dynamically linked libraries of cellular recordings, which is the organization of cells and how cells communicate with other cells. And there's a big difference, which is known as a torque speed differential. When false light is communicating to you, which is called a false light transmission. That's why when I was a child, reading the train, map reading, the difference, and knowing the difference between a dead light transmission and an eternal life cell transmission. From the first silver and gold mated one, which is knowing the one, the Nomi, the inner core, the first core CPU, the first core power unit, which is the first power supply to manifest a unicycle. The unicycle. That's right. Experiencing being one, equal unto all the others. And what happens, and this is the beauty and the gift of experiencing pure, eternal, absolute love that's on fire as a shield, is that all life forms are sacred and are mirrors. Because everything that I am is everything that you are. That we're gifting pure, eternal, absolute love. So you don't notice any difference in time, because there isn't any time. So time is the illusion when you experience no time.